Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start a new topic as I discussed with you in the last week that we have completed exercise 1D. We did video discussions and I have given some explanation videos. So already you have given me positive feedback on this. You have practiced, mashallah. Today we are going to start exercise 7G. 7G is the part of algebraic section or algebra section. Here we are going to do words problem involving equation. Okay. And what is the difference from the previous class here? Here the algebraic terms or the expression will include algebraic variables, fractional variables. Okay. You will have fractions here as your variable. That's why it's a bit lengthy compared to the other equation, algebraic equations, word problem. Okay, now I will start with number 2. You have to read out the problem. I am telling you the basic how to do this. The basic problem solving technique is read out the problem. After reading the problem, try to find or note which one will be your x. Okay, the unknown term x will be which one depending on the questions. Then the ultimately 50% is done. Then after finding out that which one will be your x, you try to form the equation looking the condition given in the problem. Suppose if I read number 2, when 18 is added to 1/4 of a number, the result is 2 1/2 times the original number. What is the number? It's very easy to locate x here. The number will be x because already they are asking what is the number. So we will start. I might miss a step because to complete in this small board. Okay, but when you will do it in your copy, especially you will show me all steps. Okay, because many times you ask me, and this is a common answer I always give, for showing every step there is numbers. Okay, the number is x. Now we will write by the question. What are they asking? When 18 is added to 1/4 of a number. When 18, I will add 18 to the 1/4 of the number. Here, my number is x. Then the next part come. The result is 2.5 times the original number. That part, the result is, that is the equal term of my equation. This is a common thing. Okay, in 90% case, whenever they say the result is, you will understand. Now this part will be the right hand side part of the equation. So the result is 1/2 times, that means multiplication of the times of the original number of x times of same thing. Now I will simplify it. 18 1/4 of x, I can write x by 4, you already know it, and this can be written, sorry my dear, this can be written 5x. Right, now what I will do, there are two ways. You can bring x by 4, 5x by 2 in this side, take 18 that side, or you can take 18 in this side, x by 4 in that side. It depends on your choice, but I always prefer to keep the numbers, and I wish you will too, keep the number term in that side and all the x in this side. So 5x by 2 equals to 18 plus x by 4. I am just changing the side of the whole equation. Now 5x by 2 minus x by 4 equals to 18, or the LCM will be 4, and then 10x minus 4, 4x, 18, then 9x equal to 18 into 4. If you solve the math, you will get this is 8. Now we will write the answer, as this is a statement problem. So the number is 8. Okay, you got the solution. So first of all, always take the unknown terms as x. I am taking it as x. You might take ABC. Then by the question, we read out the conditions of the problem again. We write it in this way and solve the equation. Okay, and next math I am going to do for you is number 4. Bye bye.